So here I am on Amazon. As you can see, I'm trying to cancel a Prime membership to see how easy it will be. So I've navigated through the accounts menu to Prime, go update, cancel, and more. Go end membership. That seems relatively simple, not too many steps. So I think by this point it's finished, but nope. So we've got the ads, basically try to get you to keep it. Got 3 yellow buttons, no way to really distinguish. Keep membership, Prime plan offers, and then continue to cancel. So we'll click that. And then we have to click a button to end. I'm not sure what the other options here would be. And there we go. So you have to tell them you want to cancel a membership quite a few times. Then here immediately there's a button to continue membership and all the things that you're going to be missing out on. So they don't really want it to make it that easy for you to cancel. But that's it for this video. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts and ideas for future videos and subscribe so you can see videos like this in the future.